Hello, this is Mike. Continuing from the previous video part 1, in today's video, I shall demonstrate the steps how to use Power BI Desktop, import, transfer, analyze online Excel data source, which is stored on the OneDrive for Business. Let's open Power BI Desktop. On top ribbon, choose the Get Data, choose More. As URL link of OneDrive for Business is a SharePoint site URL link, then in pop-up search box, type the SharePoint. In the shortlist, choose SharePoint folder. In the pop-up box, we need to fill in the OneDrive URL link. To get the URL link, let's move to our OneDrive site. Copy the HTTPS site address from the beginning to the place before layout. Paste the copied link to the box. Press OK. Power BI Desktop navigates all files of the OneDrive into the navigation window. Click the Transform button for transforming the navigated data in Query Editor. We only need to import the Excel source file, which is under the folder of for YouTube video demo. If we have the long list in the window, we may first fill in the target folder to have a short list of the source file, and then choose and fill in the target file. Now we have our target Excel file in editor list. We need to find the content column of the file in the end of the left side. Select the content column and remove other columns. Expanded the content. Power BI is collecting the source file and extracted the data sheet for us to choose. We choose the table BP_log to collect. Have a quick checking and review in the preview window, then press OK. Now Power BI is loading the Excel table into Power BI Desktop. Move to Data Model View. The table is displayed there. Let's name the query table as BP_log_table. Let's do a data transform in Query Editor. We shall split the blood pressure numbers as systolic and diastolic. Right-click the blood pressure number column and choose the splitted column in dialog list. In pop-up window, keep the slash as a delimiter. Let's use the splitted and leftmost delimiters for the options. Name the two columns. Close and apply the transform to the query table. In the query table, the date and time is UTC time zone. We would like to show Singapore local date and time, which should be UTC plus 8 hours. Let's apply DAX function to add local date and time column. On the top ribbon, Table Tools or Column Tools, click New Column. In the formula bar, type local date and time equals to the existing column date, day, month, year, plus the additional hours, 8 divided by 24. Now we have the local date and time shows in the new column. The current time format is 12 hours style. We can format it to 24-hour style. In the Format drop-down list, choose the day, month, year, hour, column, minutes format. For slicer creation to report visualization, we need to add a local short date column. Data type is date. To add a year column, use a DAX year function and format the data type as a text. And a quarter column. Use the combinations of a DAX text function and DAX quarter function. Data type is a text. Lastly, to add a month short name column, we apply DAX format function to extract the month short name from local date with the format MMM. Now we need to create few measures for our report by DAX function. First one is the average of systolic blood pressure. Second one is the average of diastolic blood pressure. The last one is the average of heartbeat number. We have all three measures created in data model. Last adjustment to data model is to turn off the date hierarchy, which was generated by Power BI desktop automatically, but they are not needed in our reporting. On the top ribbon, choose File. In the dialog list, choose the Options and Settings. Then choose Options. In the Options dialog list, under the current file, select the Date Load. Tick off the Auto Date and Time under Time Intelligence. Then the date hierarchy disappears in data model. Last step is to build the data visualization in the desktop. From our created simple data model, we have created three report pages. In the first page, the first component is the name slicer. Then date slicer. Third one is a multi-row card, which highlights three KPIs. Fourth component is a summary table, which lists the detailed records of each blood pressure measured value. By changing date slicer, we can track and zoom the changing of the three KPIs and relevant records. In the second page, we have the same slicer, but visualize the data changing by line chart. In Access, we applied local date and time. From line chart, we may find the measured blood pressure number by dot point, which is linked by solid line. Average blood pressure number displayed by dashed line. When we mouse over the dot, Power BI tooltip will pop up the measured date and time and for measured. In the heartbeat line chart, we have the two lines as well. Dot point shows the measured records and the dashed line shows the average number. In the third page, we have applied the same line charts for blood pressure and heartbeat numbers, but slicer for date changed to year, quarter, and month. So far, we have created the Power BI desktop report from the Excel source hosted on OneDrive. In next video, I shall demonstrate the way to publish the Power BI desktop file to Power BI service and embed Power Apps into the Power BI report and the service side. If you like the video and continue to watch more, please press the subscribe button in below. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.